Let's learn how to balance the chemical equation for the reaction between aluminum and chlorine gas to form aluminum chloride. Let's start with our unbalanced equation. We have aluminum plus chlorine gas yielding aluminum chloride. First, let's count the atoms on each side. Let's analyze each element. On the left side, we have one aluminum atom. On the right side, we also have one aluminum atom. For chlorine, we have two chlorine atoms on the left side because chlorine exists as a diatomic molecule. But on the right side, we have three chlorine atoms. Let's start by balancing chlorine. We need the same number of chlorine atoms on both sides. We have 2 on the left and 3 on the right. The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So we'll need 3 Cl2 molecules to get 6 chlorine atoms on the left and 2 AlCl3 molecules to get 6 chlorine atoms on the right. Now let's check aluminum. With the coefficient of 2 in front of AlCl3, we now have 2 aluminum atoms on the right side. To balance this, we need to add a coefficient of 2 in front of Al on the left side. Let's verify our balanced equation. We have 2 aluminum atoms on both sides, and we have 6 chlorine atoms on both sides. 3 times 2 on the left equals 6, and 2 times 3 on the right also equals 6. And there we have it. Our final balanced equation is 2 Al plus 3 Cl2 yields 2 AlCl3. Remember, in a balanced chemical equation, the number of atoms of each element must be equal on both sides.